how long were you inside the office? You went at 9 a.m.
Only took like 10 minutes for me.
The entire. You came out in 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. How long did it take you to hear back from them? Like, hey, your visa decision has been made.
It took me like 4 days.
4 days?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so welcome back once again. If you're somebody new to my channel, my name is Nikhilesh and I live here in Berlin. I'm here with my friend who has recently arrived. It's been what, 2 months?
Yes, it's been like 2 months.
Okay, 2 months. And you're studying Masters in
International Business Management.
private university or public?
Yeah, it's a private one.
Okay, cool. It's a paid course.
Yes.
How much are you paying for the entire course?
It's like 14 lakhs INR.
14 lakhs for the entire course.
Yeah.
Got it. Anyway, in today's video, we will be talking about her experience of coming from Hyderabad. What does a visa process look like if you're from Andhra, Telangana region and you went to VFS Hyderabad? Cool.
Panjagud.
Before I go ahead, why don't you give us your short introduction?
My name is Jyotika Varkala. I'm from Hyderabad. Recently, I have graduated from Avinash College of Commerce, which is like BBA in HR management. When I pursued HR, I wanted like related courses and I researched about the universities in Germany. And I quietly got interested in IBM, which is related to my modules, subjects, whatever it is. So I have researched and then quickly moved to Germany.
IBM meaning International
Business
Management, just for everybody's clarity. So let's start with visa appointment. कैसे book करते हैं, right? Why don't you tell us how to book visa appointment?
For first, you need to open the VFS official website and you need to sign up and sign in there. And you need to click all over details. VFS Hyderabad.
So you need to select a visa center of Hyderabad in her case, right?
Yes.
And then you need to give basic information like your first name, last name, email ID, mobile number. And there will be a section where they'll ask you to put your APS card token number. Once you put that, there will, if you're lucky enough to have a calendar, like agar appointment available hai to, you can see the calendar, you'll select a date and a time, that's all. That's how you book the student visa appointment for Germany. Let's move on. Can we talk about, I want you to remember that day when you showed up at VFS Hyderabad office, right? Tell us where it is and when you reached at the gate, what happened with you? Andar jaane ke baad kya hua? Tell us everything.
It was very smooth for me. It was like no delay in time. When I got entered, it's like 9 o'clock in the morning and mine was its premium launch. So it was very quick for me. Photo click kara and inside they managed somehow. Like it's like only 10 minutes of time.
Right.
For me, yeah. Hey, why don't you tell about premium loan service?
So premium lounge service basically in a nutshell is when you're booking the visa appointment, in that journey of booking the appointment, at the end of that page, they will give you certain services VFS gives you where they ask you, do you need a premium lounge service or you don't need? If you don't take premium lounge service, then there's a very long queue. But when you take premium lounge service, you get an extra benefits and perks of somebody will assist you with your documentation. You'll have an access to beverages at the lounge.
Yeah.
Right? Who doesn't like free drinks? There. You've been assisted personally. So there's a hand-holding process that takes place. So you got to pay extra for that. I know a lot of people, they take premium lounge service, but I've also met students who haven't taken and just went through a regular line and submitted their documents. When you went inside that day, somebody must have assisted you, right?
Yeah.
And did they give you a checklist to put the documents
they
in order?
gave the checklist, yeah. They checked all my documents and they re-verified and then one person was assisted me. He took me inside for biometrics and all. After that,
So first step was to first submit the file, right?
Yes.
The guy who was assisting you, he took your documents or you had to still go to a desk?
No, I need to go to the help desk.
Okay. So you had to go to a desk. Your number must have showed up, right?
No. Directly I have went there.
Acha, you went
Yeah.
there. And once you submitted your file, what happened next? You had to go for?
Biometric.
Okay, biometrics is they take all your fingerprints. And then last is photograph or the same location.
In the same location. If you don't have a proper picture, then again you need to go back outside and you need to click the picture. Then we need to go inside. They'll properly go, like they needs to handle. In my case, the photo session was, my photos was improper. So again, the person who assisted me, he came outside with me and we clicked few pictures. Again, he's like, I'll take care of it. You can go to home.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah, that's all.
And when did you pay the visa fees?
In the online website itself, I paid everything in the online.
So for visa fees also you paid online?
Visa fee? No, no, no.
You paid at the VFS, right?
Yes, yes.
That must have happened probably towards the end.
No, starting only.
Starting
Before
only.
biometric.
Acha, before biometric.
Before
How much did you
biometric.
pay? Do you remember?
7,000.
7,000.
Yeah.
Was it by UPI or a card?
UPI.
Cash?
UPI.
UPI. And once, so how long were you inside the office? You went at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
You came out
It
around
properly took like 10 minutes for me.
the entire.
Yeah.
You came out at 9:15.
Because I was at morning slot, right? So there was no much people.
You came out in 15 minutes.
Yeah, because I have like premium loan.
Wow. Wait. So how long did it take you to hear back from them? Like, hey, your visa decision has been made.
Okay, approval. It took me like 4 days.
4 days?
Yeah. Luckily, I got like 4 days. Like I went on Monday morning for VFS appointment, and Friday morning I got the mail like your visa is approved.
My God. Okay. And but this is not
And
the.
within 6 days I got my passport. It's took over me like 10 days. Yeah.
They take your passport and then, like this.
No,
you
the
have to
other
submit
time.
it?
The same day. Like I went on Monday and Friday I got approval. Friday afternoon I went to VFS to submit my passport, and the next week I got my passport.
So let me recap everything what you've said, right? You went inside, you gave the documents, you paid the visa fees, you did the biometrics.
Yeah.
You also gave photographs, the biometric size photographs.
Yeah.
In case for all those people who don't carry the right appropriate size of the photo, they have an option within the building to get clicked.
Yeah, they'll take
Right?
care of it. Yeah.
So once that is done, you in her case, I would say this is not an ideal case. So don't go by like everything gets done in 1 week. No, this is not. Right now, I'm seeing largely in India, it's taking at least about a month or so.
Yes.
You know, once your decision has been made, then an email will come onto your email ID, what you have given to them. Whether I don't think so, they write in your email whether you have got approved or disapproved.
No, they'll mention like your visa got approved. Please submit your passport.
Okay. Or I think they also write the decision has been made. Come and visit. No.
They mention like submit your passport for stamping.
Yeah, okay.
Means it-
That means it's approved, okay.
Yeah.
So on that day when you showed up with your passport, did they give you the visa stamped on the spot?
No. We need to wait for that. For Hyderabad, we don't have the stamping service over there. So we submitted our passport for stamping for Chennai.
Ah.
So I need to wait for at least 1 week or 2 weeks. Luckily, I got in like 4 days, 5 days. Yeah.
Acha, it got delivered at home?
Yeah.
Okay, how was that feeling?
It was like I'm on cloud 9 actually. It was very quick.
Yeah. But it's very miraculous, I have to say. In 1 week, I've not met people who've got their visa in 1 week.
Well, you met me, no?
Cool. Miracles happen.
Yes.
Your visa is of 1 year or 6 months?
1 year.
Everybody is getting visa nowadays straight for 1 year. I remember previously they only used to give visa for 3 months.
Really?
Yeah, and then that got extended to 6 months, and now they're giving the visas straight for 1 year. And please, when you're receiving the visa in your hand, make sure that it should mention as a student that you're allowed to work 140 full days, 280 half days. There are students I've met now that mention wasn't there, and then they had to go to their local immigration office to get that updated. That caused another problem for these guys, you know. So yeah, just take care of these things. If you've made it till here, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.